Hi guys! So, welcome to the vlog. Andito ulit ang ating special guest na si Mr. Colin Chan.
Hey guys.
Si Master Sifu. Master Sifu Colin Chan. So, today ang topic natin, we're actually going to unbox 2 sneakers from Puma.
Yes.
So, bago ang lahat, meron lang akong gusto sabihin para kay Puma Philippines. So, mag-semi-rant. Rant pa siya? Hindi naman siya rant. Request. So, dear Puma Philippines, hindi ko po naintindihan kung bakit hindi nyo dinadala yung mga magaganda ninyong sapatos dito sa Pilipinas. Yung mga Sega.
Oh,
di ba?
Hindi ba dumaan dito yan?
Hindi dumating dito yun eh.
Sayang.
So to the management of Puma Philippines.
Yes, you really should bring those hype sneakers here. Because may capability
kasi ready na eh. Ready na kami. Ako ready na ako. Inaantay ko lang kayo. Ako yung ready. Ready na.
Pero for yung Sega, ready rin ako.
Itabi nyo na yung size 12. Okay. So,
Taka 9.
Okay, game. So, mag-unbox kami ng sneakers from Puma.
Yep.
So, ito hindi available in the Philippines. So, ang nangyari dito...
So, a good friend of mine, Peter Juan, was in Singapore recently. And sa JD Sports siya, tumitingin siya ng mga sneaker as all sneakerheads would go. And then, nagkaroon ng restock ng Thunder Spectra.
Boom!
So, I was like, please get us one. Diba? And, nakakatuwa kasi parang we were already, he was showing us like photos of other Puma designs as well. So, marami. Like the Thunder Electric, Thunder Desert, which is really, really nice. Sobrang ganda. Kasi super clean nung desert white ng Puma. And then, biglang pagtalikod niyang ganun, whoop, ano to? Spectra. So apparently, nag-silent restock pala sila like after lunch.
Walang nakapilang reseller. Walang mga Chinese na nakaabang na nagpapadala ng mga security guard at foreman.
Wala doon. Kasi nakakuha tayo eh. So wala.
Ganyan yan totoo. Ganyan dapat eh.
Ganun talaga. Dapat yung mga sneakers na pupunta talaga sa mga tao na gustong bumili ng sneaker para gamitin nila.
Guys, ang hustling po, ang ibig sabihin niyan, nagpro-provide ka ng value.
Yes.
Pag wala kang provide na value, tas hustling ang tawag mo, hindi ka nag-hustle. Hustler tawag doon. Iniisahan mo lang yung mga kapwa mo, no?
So, hustle but don't be a hustler.
Oo, hustle, don't be a hustler. Anyway, so mag-unbox na tayo ng sapatos. So simulan natin sa'yo, pagkatapos yung...
Alright, sige. So, this is...
Pakita mo naman yung box. By the way, ako walang box.
Okay.
Ito meron. Preferential. Well, mas matagal naman kayo magkaibigan ni Peter. So,
masyado marami na yung maleta
tanggap ko na. Okay, game.
So anyway, this is the Thunder Spectra gray and yellow.
Ang gwapo. Hoy, Puma Philippines. Gising!
Look at this amazing shoe. As in, noong una actually first time ko nakita yung Thunder Spectra.
Igit na mo. Ayan o. Ba't sa akin nakafocus? Teka, magtatago ako. Ayan. Okay, yan. Okay, ikot natin. O yan, magtago ka kasi sa atin mag-focus.
Okay, sige.
Ayan.
Nakakatakot yung ginagawa natin. Pero wait, ako yan. Puma, boom.
Oh, boom!
Okay, there we go. And again, what I like about this is that one, the colorway is something that's a little bit more different from the usual or from what yung pinakasikat na Thunder Spectra, which is the black. And then, yung primarily black na colorway, no? Yung mukhang mas Balenciaga Triple S. That shoe pa rin yung itsura niya, pero it has a lighter take. Parang it has a fresher color. You have tan here, and then it's primarily gray. A little bit of yellow on the side, and then may on the heel counter, ba tawag dito? Mm-hmm. Yes. And then specks of blue. Plus, what I love about this is the gum sole. As in, look at that.
Guwapo.
Diba? So, that's the Puma Thunder Spectra in... May nakalagay ba dito yung colorway niya? In Drizzle Steel Gray. Yun yung official...
Drizzle Steel Gray.
Drizzle Steel Gray. Yun yung official name niya.
So again, Puma Philippines. Guys, pwede ba makiusap? Baka naman pwede nyo dalhin sa Pilipinas to.
Actually,
diba?
Feeling ko if they do bring that here, it's going to sell really, really well.
Yeah, kahit try it out. Limited quantities and see, diba?
Or even the Thunder Electric. Kasi it's not as, sabi natin, as hype, quote-unquote, as your Spectra would be. But it has almost the same silhouette. And then the colors are really, really good as well. And nagulat din nga pa na parang the Spectra itself has so many colors na pala. that's out.
Oh, kasi outside the Philippines, it's doing really well.
It's doing really
Dito
well.
lang talaga tayo wala eh.
Yeah.
Puma Philippines.
And as I was like talking to, I don't know, we spoke with Christian, si Sneaker Talk, and then we were talking about the Thunder Spectra, and he said that easily the Thunder Spectra is going to be one of his like top 5 or
Sneakers
top 3
of the
sneakers of the year. Ganun siya kaganda. In fact, he brought his Thunder Spectra here in the Philippines. Diba?
Oh, ikaw naman
Kasi-
hawak ng mic.
Ayan.
Ako naman mag-unbox.
And on that note, Carlo, show them the...
Si Colin may box. Ako meron akong
Pero may bag naman siya maganda.
meron akong paper bag na nakalagay.
Ay, hindi siya paper bag. King of Trainers,
Trainers.
JD. Yan.
JD Sports.
Again, we got this in Singapore for... It was selling at retail for 209 Singapore dollars.
So shout out again kay Peter Wan.
Yeah, so actually, Peter is one of, I guess, a really good self-confessed Puma head.
Puma head.
Puma head.
Lahat naman ng sneakers yata gusto niya, hindi ba? Lahat ng brand.
Yeah, pero yung Puma kasi is one of the things, kung konti lang daw kasi talaga yung nag-push ng Puma dito eh. So parang he's trying to advocate that talaga.
Handa na ba kayo?
Okay, ito na.
Handa na? 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Ano yun?
Hindi na alis eh. Ganyan nakala.
Oh, ganyan kasi. Yan, look at that.
Oy, ang gwapo.
So to be fair,
Tignan mo naman
that,
yan. Nagtatago ako para mag-focus. Ayan o, ang gwapo.
actually, ang ganda ng kulay niya, no?
You know, tignan mo naman yan, friend.
And the detail, I super love the details. And yung ang daming different fabrics na ginamit.
It's a lot of materials.
Yeah.
So you have leather, you have mesh,
Yeah.
you have suede,
Yep.
you have like suede again.
Yeah.
And then, but talaga, it's a really nice sneaker.
Yeah.
As in, it just looks really kick-ass.
Actually, yung color blocking ito is really versatile as well.
Oo,
You can wear
madaling
that with
suot. Madaling isuot.
madaling isuot. Sobrang daling isuot nito.
Tsaka yung presyo, 8,000 something lang.
Yeah.
Diba? Panalo. Puma Philippines. Ay, baka di tayo siniseryoso eh.
Oh, sige. Isa pa.
Puma Philippines. Hindi, seryoso guys. I'm sure a lot of you seeing this, if you can buy it at the price, di ba? Okay siya eh.
Yeah.
Kasi ang lakas ng benta nung M2K Techno.
Yeah.
Ng Nike. Ang lakas ng benta ng mga dad shoes ng Adidas.
yung.
Oh, so kung nauna actually ang Puma with this sneaker here in the Philippines, sila sana yung na-capture ng market na yun.
That's true, actually.
Kasi nung pinasimuno siya ng Balenciaga Triple S, tsaka ng Wave Runner ni Kanye, tsaka ng
Yeah.
mga Yeezy 500,
Yeah.
walang affordable version na sumundot.
That's true.
Isipin mo, wala.
Wala nga.
Wala talaga eh. So, kung pumasok sana si Puma at that time, na-capture sana nila yung market na yun, they could have eaten into the market share
Yeah.
of Nike and Adidas here in the Philippines.
That's
Diba?
true.
Ngayon, syempre di ko alam kung may issue sila sa customs, kung sinubukan ba talaga nilang ipasok. We never know.
Yeah.
Diba? Pero, it's one of those what ifs na Puma could have gotten sana like a share of the pie.
Yeah, and a really good leverage.
Yeah, and alam mo kung sino nakakain nun ngayon? Yung balakas magbenta ng dad shoe? Si Fila. Yung mga Disruptor 2
yung
nila.
Disruptor
Kasi
nga.
sila yung nag-fill in ng void eh.
Yeah.
Sila yung nag-fill in ng space. Kasi kung isipin mo, yung 1, hindi pa nga available dito, di ba? Hindi pa eh.
Hindi.
Yung
Yung
96
96,
lalabas
yeah.
pa lang.
Oo.
Yung M2K Techno, which is the successor of the Air Monarch, konti lang yung lumabas. As in, super konting pairs lang. So, wala pa talagang affordable level dad chunky sneaker na lumalabas in the market today from the big brands. So, if Puma came out earlier, sabihin natin, with either the Spectra or the Electric,
The
they
Electric,
actually
yeah.
could have cornered the market.
That's true.
Diba? But, yeah.
So,
Too late for what ifs.
De, ano na lang,
Oh, my God.
lesson for the future.
Lesson
for the future tayo dyan, di ba? So, for those who are interested in getting like a Thunder Spectra from outside, of course, you can't have it, you can't buy it here yet. Ang suggestion ko is to go half a size down from your true to size. Because I got mine at true to size and it's still a little bit roomy. So, feeling ko kailangan ko siya pasukan ng insole. But, aside from that, it's super comfortable. As in, sarap sa paa.
Hindi ko pa nasusuot, so hindi ko masabi kung
Yeah.
comfortable siya. But, itsura pa lang,
O, di gagawa tayo ng on-feet.
ang angas na. Ang ganda.
Actually, ang ganda nga ng material. Parang the leather here is
Ang ganda oh.
it's really nice. And then the suede, yung alternate suede and leather kasi niya eh. And then with the whole
The rope laces.
actually the rope laces
Saka yung
na.
pang ganda nung pagka-execute ng logo ng Puma.
Ah, that's right.
So, syempre sa'yo puputi focus. So,
Okay,
basta,
yan, sige.
yun, maganda yung pagka... Okay, tama na. O, sige guys. So, that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram. Meron kaming giveaway ngayon for the 4 champion caps as well as the off-white Rastaklat
nice.
bracelet. So all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, like this video, hit the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. May gusto ko pa sabihin, Master Sifu Colin?
Wala naman. Thanks to Peter Juan
Thanks to
again.
Peter Juan.
If you guys want to check his Instagram out, it's at Peter Juan. That's Peter and then Juan.
Okay.
So yun,
That's
check
it
him
for
out.
now, guys.
Okay.
Peace. God bless. What's up?